Hi, I'm Eres Emisario of 9AU. For today's dessert, we're going to cook coffee jelly, and this is the main ingredients. Unflavored gelatin, all-purpose cream, black coffee, white sugar, and hot water.
Dissolve a pack of unflavored gelatin into a bowl of hot water. Once the gelatin was dissolved, pour the mixture as well as the coffee and the sugar on the saucepan. Make sure that the heat is on high so that the mixture won't have undissolved particles. Make sure to stir the mixture while it's on a heat so that there won't be a lump. Pour the mixture in the container. Once the mixture was put in the container, refrigerate it. And then once it is set, cut into cubes.
Now, I will show you the solidified coffee jelly mixture.
Now, we are going to cut our coffee jelly mixture. Now, we're going to pour our mixture on a bowl with the Nestle all-purpose cream. On pouring this mixture, we can also use a condensed milk as an optional ingredient. We can now serve this. Now we will finally serve our dessert.